Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. And we will be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies shared, and of course do your own personal practice. You need to practice very well on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. These are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the trading analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your capital, the easier it is for you to achieve. Now let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000, and of course this had been on a very strong downtrend since yesterday, and of course this came to an end today, and of course right from there it started an uptrend, and it is still it bought till it got to this particular region. Okay, we can see it right here, it bought till it got here, and of course this is pulling back at the moment. If it's unable to go beyond this support zone, then it will go straight into it will continue with the uptrend and try to break out from this resistance zone. Okay, so this is on uptrend at the moment, except if it's unable, if it breaks out below this support zone, that is when it's going to sell more and try out the major support zone again. But it is on uptrend. Okay, so we expect it to buy more. Okay, so the next asset is going to be boom 500. Okay, so now let's check it out right away. Okay guys, this is boom 500. This had been on uptrend after playing from here, after playing around there for a while. It broke out above it and got to this region, and at the moment it's trying to sell. Okay, so this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Okay, the next asset is going to be crash 1000. This is crash 1000, and it has been on uptrend for a very long time, got to this resistance zone, and of course it has not been able to go above it. Okay, and of course it might be it's possible for it to try it out again to see if it will break out above it. If it does not, it will go back on downtrend. So this is still buying at the moment until it is unable to go above that, to break out from that resistance zone. Okay, so the next asset is going to be crash 500. This is crash 500. Right from this support zone, it started an uptrend which got to this resistance zone, and it is selling at the moment. So this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So next asset, which is going to be the last one, is going to be V75. This is volatility 75. Starting from this support zone, it started an uptrend, and we can see it buying and buying, got to this region, pulled back and went back up again. Okay, it broke out above this resistance zone, and it is still buying at the moment. So this is going to be more of a buying opportunity, except if it's unable to break out above the resistance zone, that is when it's going to go back into a sell trend. So we should take note of all these. So these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, can you go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the opportunities shared, do your own personal research about it, and of course you should practice very well on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay guys, watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.